读册甲看册。
Marginal Taiwanese,
读册
to study. Used only of a student in reference to school books. By extension it means, to be a student.
读册
Originally meant to read the school books aloud, even outside of class. But today, reading aloud outside of class is not so common. Distinguished from
看册
which means to read a book, but not in the sense of studying.
读册是
To study.
学生去学校是去读册，准备考试是读册，做学问、做研究是读册。读册着认真，爱读甲熟，读好熟。有学问的人，人学老是交读册，是读册人。读册爱读出声无？古早人读册爱出声。人讲，读书有三教：为身教、眼教、口教。风声、雨声、读书声，声声入耳。因为读册爱读出声，所以华语也有讲做念书。台语讲读册互别人听，华语嘛有讲做念书给别人听。看册是
To read a book, silently.
无读册遐认真，凊彩看看，用用罔看，拢是看册。看册会看，甲看报纸、看小说、看电影、看电视会看，同一个意思。看册毋免出声，毋过若出声，犹原是看册。读册、看册，口语上也有讲做读书、看书，两字拢是文读音的读书，口语较无咧讲。